Today I am going to do a video review of the Chicology adjustable sliding door blinds. I got these blinds because I wanted to provide privacy and to create a divider between my bathroom and the family room, as well as provide privacy for our bedroom area at nighttime. So in this video, I'll walk you through the process of how it was installed and basically give you my overall thoughts. As you can see, I purchased the cream white blinds and it blends in so well with my wall. It just kind of gives it that natural look. The adjustable 4-rail panel rack is 46 to 86 inches wide, and it just divides. It's perfect. It just divides the room. Look, it's easy to use. It comes with 2 handlebars that you can use, and it goes both ways. And voila, you can take it both ways. I'm going to take it back. Came with 4 panels, and as you can see, they're kind of sheer, but they do have different material and fabric that you can use. So basically for installation, we attach the track to the ceiling, or I guess you would do it to your ceiling or your door opening. Okay, and it came, these little tracks I believe were already in there. The fabric, we just velcroed the fabric on. For the bottom, we simply slid it in to this bar, to this track here, and secured it with screws. So these blinds are easy to maintain. As far as cleaning, I just use a soft brush, like a feather brush, and I just go up and down to clean it. If they get smudged or dirty, you can just use a wipe just to clean it off. Real simple. I can see this being used to cover your patio doors or your sliding doors, your glass doors or balcony doors, to just create that privacy, or just create another room with these particular blinds. This is the review of the Chicology adjustable sliding door blinds.